today. And today we are teleporting my friend. Oh, magic! Alright, so introduce yourself. What's your name and what's your age and what are you supposed to be? No, what's your name? Come on.
I'm James, and I'm 9 years old.
Okay, so that's his supposed to be in this video. So we're talking about slimes. So we got a slime here, a 2 slime, which is it says Sandkist and also Gatorade. So Sandkist is for her. I mean, sorry, I thought you were a girl. Okay, so for him, Sandkist for him, and then Gatorade for me. So this is green as you think, and we're gonna open it. And I did a slime video, which is a couple so it's been a year or a couple months. So yeah, that's the slime. And then we got here my slime too. So we could do streaks in here, I guess. So so a lot of you guys know. So the Nyko Struggle, that is the last video I have posted. So here's another video for you guys. Guys, I have reached 10 subscribers. Like legit 10 subscribers. Okay, so I have reached that. But so there's a noise Filipino in background, and also anyo for him. But totally so free stuff. Okay. So. Okay, so yeah. I love the way the poop is. It's like so. Oh, legit. Look. Oh yeah, I thought you were scared about that. But as you can see, it's not like. Oh my gosh! Like I can do the eyebrow. I'm Rolando. Yeah. I hope it doesn't stick.
Next, and I'm plated.
Oh, it sticks. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! Oh wait. Don't touch it. It's so hurt. It hurts. It hurts so good. Oh my god. Oh, oh my gosh. Ow. It's ow. Ouch. So ouch. Oh my god. Oh, it sticks. Oh my gosh. This one. Ow. Ouch. Ouch! It smells good, but it's painful. Yeah. It sticks. Oh. Ouch! No! Yeah. Get away, Mr. Bear. Okay. Let me go to bed. Oh yeah. Oh, ouch! Oh my gosh. Ouch. Ouch. Wait, it still sticks. Wait, what the heck is this air? Flip you. Still sticks. Oh my gosh. What's this? Oh, what? It's still connected. There's more little things.
Wait, ang dami pa.
Oh my gosh. Let me see this in the mirror. So we got a mirror in the front so I can see what the heck is going on. Wow. Okay, so let's do this. Noodles. Wait, make me noodle. How do I make it? Oh, yo, low. Sick, dude. That's so sick. Wait, I want to do what you did. Is it supposed to be like this? Oh, yeah. Look at this, guys. I can't really see. Oh. So, I remind you guys. Don't buy this and just stick it to your hair. It's so sticky. Some of this, like, this can take off like that. So, some of these little things like that, it might stick to your hair and it can't, like, so some of the slimes, like, they go like, so you leave it like that and then a few, 2 days, and then you leave it like that. It's gonna be like stuck. But I don't know if this does that, but
Ba't di mo kasama yun?
what?
Wala. Wala.
We gotta get some cookie. We gotta get some cookie. Get some cookie. Oh yeah. You sponsor me, Cookie. They make this thing. So cool. It's a cookie, so. Look, it's stuck in circle. It's stuck on. Oh my god. Go like sticky air. Don't let it stick to your hair. And this guy have a nice eyelashes. He looks like a girl. Wait, let me see if I got eyelashes. Yeah! Dude! Wow. Okay, I got a plan. This is very dirty. But, oh my god. It's Patrick Star. Look, it's Patrick Star. It's Patrick Star. What the heck? It's a penis. Don't mind my grandma. But let's make like a little bit of like this ball. And then do it like this. And then do it like that. And now it looks like a dick. That's how you make a dick. Like, oh my god, it looks like it's going like growing. The dick is growing. Oh my gosh. The dick is so growing. Oh my, it looks so disgusting. Look. It's so dirty. Oh my gosh. It looks like a butt. Oh my gosh. Don't touch it. Oh my god, it's sticking. Oh my gosh. Okay. Don't let this straight. Oh. Hello. I'm gonna wiggle it around. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is so the penis turned.
Penis.
Yeah, the dick turns into a thin body. Look what happened to the penis. It's so funny. Do that. It's so funny. So you can mold it to a ball too. Ball. As you can see, this is my ball.
This is my egg.
So I gotta poop. I gotta poop. Ew. Look at this poop. Gosh. Look at this.